So I'm smoking another brisket and I want to show you guys what I'm doing this time. So remember the last one when we had Weber thermometer out the yin yang, thermometer inside the meat, blah 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 blah. Let me show you how I typically cook my briskets. Running the snake method on the 26 today. Bottom vent down to the smallest possible opening. Top vents wide open. Now if you guys go back and watch the snake method brisket video that I posted recently, you will see that I had the lid thermometer saying 300, just a little bit over 300, but the actual grate level temp was 250. Because I already know that math, I already know that it's 50 to 70 degrees off. I don't need to monitor it every time I'm cooking. This is what I do. The lid thermometer is now saying 300. So lowest 225, possibly 250. Between 50 to 75 degrees, that is the plus or minus on this thing. Once you learn how your grill operates, you do not need all the wires and all the fucking accoutrements coming out of the grill. You can't change what it's doing. The number is the number. So now just relax and cook.